In today's video, we are making yuca mash. You can make it as creamy or as chunky as you prefer. It's the perfect side dish for your favorite protein. Hola, I am Nadia, and this is Nashi Food, where I teach you how to make Latin-inspired recipes at home. So the main ingredient for this recipe is yuca or cassava root. You will need it chopped, cored, and deveined. You can also buy frozen, which you can find in the majority of the supermarkets. If you get frozen yuca, it will be even faster to cook. Stay to the end and I will share with you some recipe variations and how to serve it. Let's start cooking. Place in a large pot about 1.5 pounds of cassava root, 2 garlic cloves, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add water, just enough to cover all the ingredients. Cover your pot and cook over medium heat for between 30 or 40 minutes or until tender. To verify this, you will use a fork or a knife and prick it, and if it goes in and out easily, that means it's ready. Now that the yuca are done, remove them from the pot and place them in a large mixing bowl. Just as a side note, remember to remove the garlic cloves. Reserve some of the cooking liquid. This will be used at a later stage. Here's a tip. Make sure your milk and your butter are at room temperature. This will make the mashing process even easier. Now we are going to add the garlic powder, the butter, and the milk, and we'll continue mashing until we have our desired texture. It can be as creamy or as chunky as you like. At this point, you can add additional ingredients for flavor. If you want a cheesier flavor profile, you can add sour cream or some cream cheese. You can also add chopped fresh herbs like chives or parsley. Want a dairy-free option? Substitute the milk with your favorite unsweetened plant-based milk. Make sure it's unsweetened. You can replace the milk also with broth or stock. You can also replace the butter with some olive oil. This taste will be slightly different, but also delicious. You can serve it with grilled food. It also pairs well with anything that you will eat mashed potatoes with. It goes also well with gravy, so that's another way you can serve it. There you have it, our garlic yuca mash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed learning how to make yuca mash. The full printable recipe is available in nashifood.com. The link is in the description box below. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how you like it. If you're looking for other side dish recipes, check out this playlist.